Sean George. Jigger Patel. Justin Regan. And Min Lee. Nominees for the most studious 7th grade girls include Sophia Kraft, Madison Jenkins, Ashlyn Kozlowski, Lauren Grickle, and Jamie Song. Our winner for most studious 7th grade boy goes to Min Lee. And our most studious 7th grade girl, Miss Jamie Song. The son of Trump Dang and Lynn Lee. He's a member of the Science Club as well as our band program here. He says the first week of school will be his most memorable, and his advice to future Wildcats will be not to be afraid to fail. Jamie is the daughter of Kenneth and Connie Song, and says right now this moment will be her most memorable one here at Creek Valley. She's also a member of our band program. Ladies and gentlemen, our most studious 7th graders, Min Lee and Jamie Song. Nominees for our friendliest 6th grade boy include Garrett Beebe,